Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video I'm going to show you how to request books for interlibrary loan. So let's say you have a membership of a library, but that city's library does not have a particular book which you want to read. So what you can do is you can put a request on that library that they can loan that book from some other city's library, and once the book is available they'll place it for you to read for 3 weeks. They'll loan it to you for 3 weeks and you can read it. This is the easiest way, and usually you get the books depending upon the availability and how many requests are already there, but you'll get it for sure. You'll get it. So it this is one of the best way to ask the book for interlibrary loan. Let me show you how to proceed. So I have membership to Brampton, Mississauga and Toronto Library, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to request interlibrary loan on Brampton Library. So let's get started. Open a Google tab and search for Brampton Library and hit enter. The first link, Brampton Public Library. Click on this link. You don't need to log in into your account in order to request interlibrary loan request. So click on this drop down button in under books and more, and click on this interlibrary loans hyperlink, and a form will open which we are going to fill. Scroll down and start filling in the information. The first question is, have you checked the library's catalog for this item and reviewed the interlibrary loan guidelines above? Click on yes that you have checked the library catalog and this book is not available in your city library. Now enter your details. For the sake of this video, I'm just entering random details. Last name, comma, first name. So let's say Scooby Doo. Enter your library card number. This is just a random number. Okay. Enter your phone number. This is also a random number. And then select the branch where are you going to pick up this book once it is available. So I'm just selecting this random, let's say Four Corners. I don't even know where this is. And then now you need to provide the information about the book which you want to request. So give the title over here. Let's say it's The Missing Author. Enter the author who has written the book. Then these two fields are mandatory, the title and the creator. Publication year, if you know, enter it. If you don't, you can leave this blank. Even this ISBN is also not mandatory. Now select the format in which you need the book. I'm selecting it as a book. I don't need the audiobook or something else. Now enter. Do you want to submit another interlibrary loan request? If there are two or more books, click on yes. If not, click on no and click on next. Since you are requesting the book yourself, click on Submitted by Customer and click on Next. Click on the Screen Submit button to submit your interlibrary loan request. You will receive this message that your request have been successfully submitted. So once the request has been placed and once the book is available from the other libraries, they will send it to the library branch where you have submitted the pickup, and you will receive an email notification that your book is ready to pick up. Usually the book is loaned to you for 3 weeks. Go there, pick up the book, read it within 3 weeks, and give it back to your home branch. Your home library will send it back to the library from where they have loaned the book from you. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Happy reading!